everybody, welcome to today's video. It is another installment of Look What I Found at TJ Maxx, but also Marshalls. So I went to both TJ Maxx and Marshalls and found some pretty awesome deals. We got a good mixture of high-end and also some kind of like middle-end products as well. We're gonna go through the products in this video. We're gonna do some try-ons. I'm gonna, give you my savings, just like my last video. And yeah, so why don't we get started with the video? Okay, and as always, my little disclaimer and caveat is buyer beware when purchasing these products. You are buying them at a discount retailer. They're not from a Sephora, so you can't sit and you can't sample. So just be careful when opening the product, make sure it's not swatched, and don't be one of those people that goes in and swatches. But yeah, and also the prices and the products will vary at different stores. Okay, let's begin with trying out the products. All right, we're gonna get started. I already have foundation on my face, actually like a CC cream, BB cream, whatever. Okay, so something that I was excited about along with the foundation was I actually found a concealer. It's the Lorac Touch and Go. Now, it's hard to find foundations and concealers at these places. I mean, they don't really have a good range of colors, so it's just kind of tough. So when I found this, I was like, yes. So this is actually like a foundation and concealer, but I don't really like to use things that are considered concealers all over my face. It's too heavy for me. I don't like that feeling. So I'll use this as a concealer today. So I got this for $5.99 compared to a retail value of $8. So, okay, it's like a couple bucks savings, but not like it's extremely expensive. But hey, I'll take the savings wherever I can. So it comes with a little brush on the end, which, all right, I'm not gonna use this. I'm just gonna use it to put it on. And then you gotta pump it up. So that came out faster than I thought it would. Okay, so let's see. All right, so there's the color. It's the color CF2. I think that's light, yes. So it's a little bit more watery than, It's a little bit watery. So let's see. We're gonna put this underneath our eyes where I would normally conceal. And now that I'm using this is actually more like a foundation than it is a concealer because of the consistency. But we're just gonna roll with it. All right, let's pounce this in. Okay, so, I mean, the color was good. It was a very good color match for me. The consistency of it is very, I don't know. I can feel it on my skin. I don't like that. But, I mean, for $6, what the hell's going on down here? But I mean, for $6, I'm not mad at it. Okay, so now I'm gonna be setting my under eyes. I'm not gonna set the rest of my face just yet because I do have some cream contour and highlight sticks that I would like to use. So I'm gonna set my under eyes using the Becca Hydra Mist. I love this product. It's actually working really well. So the next item, I was so excited about this item because I was just excited. It is the Smashbox Step-by-Step Contour Stick Trio. It retails for $45 and I got it on clearance for $8. So yeah, and now it said it comes with a free sharpener. And so it really didn't. But that's okay, because what I really was excited to try was these 3 sticks. So you get two contour sticks and then 1 highlighting stick. So there's more of a warm So there's more of a warm undertoned, and then a cool one, and then of course the highlighting stick. And these are so creamy. Oh my god. So I'm actually going to be using the cool tone one. And I'm going to take it where I usually contour. Oh my god, these are so creamy. Yeah. Put it up here, put it here, put it down the nose. Do I look pretty? I should just go out like this. I mean, and then just underneath, put a little bit of highlighting. Because, you know, because I want to. Yeah. Okay guys, so off camera I powdered the rest of my face, I did my eyebrows, and I bronzed because those three things I did not get at the store. Okay, so next we're gonna do the eyes. So I found this Enjoy Your Journey cargo palette. This is suggested retail price of $18, $52 value. I got it for $5.99, so that was a pretty big savings. So again, cargo, not high end, not like Smashbox. I would say Smashbox is definitely high end. You can get that at Sephora. I'm just gonna rip the box because I can't get into it. Can't even rip the box. I guess the good thing is I know this one is not swatched because Jesus Christ. Here is the nice little compartment. It's gold. We open it up. Nice neutral palette. So I like this palette. I think it's got, ooh, it's very creamy. Okay, okay. You know, these are nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the top shade first. It's just a very light color. And I'm using a Morphe E23 brush just to kind of sweep this all over my eye. Just kind of setting a base down. The next shade is the bottom one. It's a little bit darker. And I'm going to take that and still focus it on the crease area. And I'm using a Morphe tapered blending brush. I can't see the number on this, but... Okay, so not really showing up that well, but again, these are very light colors. So the next shade I'm going to dig into here is, we'll go with the shade. Now these are shimmers, but they're not extremely shimmery, so I'm going to try to put them in my crease. And I'm using a Morphe, why did I say Morphe all the time? I'm using a Morphe M433, and I'm kind of going to just focus that on the outer corner and sweep it into the crease. Alright, so I'm going to next go into this shade right here, this darker brown one. I'm going to go in with the same brush, the M433, and again, focus this more on the outer corner. Alright, so now we're getting a little bit more pigment from this. Drag that in. Alright, so, I mean, it's a nice kind of semi-smoked out look, very natural. I'm going to actually take this shade, the first, well, this shade right here. I'm going to put it on a nice little e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just going to drag it along the bottom lash line. Alright, again, so I'm not mad at it. I think it's a very nice palette. You know, if going for one of those really calm, quiet days where you're just like, I want a nice neutral look, this palette works perfectly. Again, it's $5.99, so you can't really bite it. Alright, so let's put on some mascara. I'll do that off screen, and then we'll finish the face with the rest of the products. Okay. So if you guys know me, my go-to mascara is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Okay, so we're gonna go with the blush next. And I got the Color Source by Lorac. It is a buildable blush. And I got it for $4.99 compared to $7. Okay, so it's like a $2.01 savings, but hey, again, I'll take the savings wherever I can. So this is in the color Luma. It's satin. Okay, so this is the color. So we're gonna take a Morphe G5 brush. We're gonna dip into that and oh, it's got definitely shimmer in it. I don't know if I would consider that a satin because it is more shimmery, but it's a nice color and it's a lot more pigmented than I would have thought, but you know, whatever. Not bad. Not bad, Lorac. I mean, okay. Alright, so the next product is highlight. This was also a good find. I got the Smashbox Spotlight Palette in Pearl. Compared to $25. Yeah, compared to. I got it for $14.99 compared to $25. And luckily, I found one that was not swatched at the store. So, here are the colors. Ooh, you can see very pretty. Very pretty. I think I'm going to go in with kind of a mix of these two shades right here. There's some kickback, but that's okay. I have Smashbox highlighters in some trios like this, kind of. Not this one, but I love them. I think they're very nice. So, ooh. See? I'm sorry, I'm using a Morphe E61 brush. Very nice. I'm also going to take a little bit of that and put in my inner corners and my brow bone because the Lorac palette did not contain any highlighters. Done. I'm alright with it. Okay, sure. The next product is lips. So I got two lip products. Now I have a Kat Von D Studded Kiss. Now I believe they are trying to repackage this, but I'm not 100% sure. And then I also have a Pirates of the Caribbean Lorac. This is lip gloss and lipstick combined. So let's swatch these two and then I'll decide which one I want to use. Okay, so this is Kat Von D. This is her studded lipstick and it is in the color Cathedral. That's a nice color. It's very creamy. It might be a little dark for my look today, but we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. And then the next one, see we have the Pirates of the Caribbean. Oh, this is cool. It has like a little mirror here. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so it said one side is lipstick. Oh yeah, okay. Ooh, that's a pretty nude. I might do this one today. And then on the other side is a gloss. Put that right next to it. Okay, let's try this one. So for the Kat Von D, let me just tell you the price. Compared to, it's $7.99 that I bought it for compared to $12 retail. But I don't know if that's right. This seems like it would be more expensive, but that's what it says on the packaging. And then the Lorac is $7 and I got it for $4.99. So, okay. Okay, guys, that is actually, I really like that nude color. Like, it's very nude, kind of like pinky peachy nude. This is, well, I didn't even tell you the color. This is called Trident. Now for the gloss. Alright guys, I really like that. I will definitely be grabbing for this. Okay, so we're gonna set the face, and I did find a setting spray, and it is by Algenist, and it is the Hydrating Setting Mist. Now my face is dry. I have dry skin. I mean, yeah, duh. And this kind of intrigued me because I thought, well, let's see if it works. Okay, so this retails at $20 and I got it off of 10. So that is 50% savings. Okay, so this is supposed to, after makeup application, hold bottle 6 to 8 inches from the face, close eyes, and mist evenly, reapply as desired. So let's see the, ooh. Ooh, it smells good, so let's try. All right, so we are done, and I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Okay guys, so out of everything that I got, this is the retail price. This is what I purchased it for. And then this is my savings. Some of these products I really like. I will continue to use them. You know, I really like the Lorac Lipstick Duo. I really like the Smashbox highlighting and this trio right here. You know, I thought that the Cargo palette and then the Lorac blush, they were okay. I mean, I think I have better blushes than this Lorac, and I mean this one, I think it's a good palette. It's okay. I can use it. I can throw it in my bag when I'm traveling. You know, so the concealer foundation I probably won't use again. I just didn't like the formula, and it's just too light coverage for me. It's kind of creasing, so. But I mean, $5.99, I'm still not mad at it. I will continue to use this. I think, you know, I really like my Morphe spray or my Max Fix Plus. And I mean, I think this would be a good one for like if you're on a plane, you can hydrate your face. And then I will try to use the Kat Von D lipstick. I would like to try it. I've heard good things about her studded lipsticks. But I did want to let you guys know that there's a bunch available. I know there's a bunch of different colors. Okay guys, so that is the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed testing out these products. I enjoyed, I don't know, it's kind of like a scavenger hunt, you know? You're like, what high-end makeup can I get at such a discounted price? And I don't know, I enjoy doing these videos. If you guys want to see more like this, let me know and then I will continue. Follow us on social media. We are TakeTwo Beauty. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Yeah, you can find us there. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can click the little button below and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks, bye. Hey everybody! I'm the child of the village chief. We are descendants of voyagers. God, that Moana song is stuck in my head. Hey everybody, welcome.